In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you can switch accounts on Discord Mobile utilizing a simple method. Although this feature is currently available for the desktop version, I'll show you how to achieve it on your mobile device. Firstly, please note that you won't be using the official Discord app for this process. Instead, exit the app and open any web browser on your mobile device. Navigate to discord.com in the search bar of your browser. Since this tutorial is for Android devices, ensure you're using a compatible browser like Google Chrome. If using a different browser, the process should still work similarly. Upon reaching discord.com, tap on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of Chrome. Select the desktop site option from the menu that appears. This will switch the view to the desktop version of discord.com. Once in the desktop version, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll notice that the interface resembles that of a PC, albeit smaller. To switch accounts, locate your profile icon on the bottom left corner and tap on it. Scroll down to access more options, including switch accounts. Tap on this option, and you'll see a list of your accounts. If you wish to add a new account, tap on Add an Account at the bottom. Enter your email address and password to log in to the new account. If you wish to switch between accounts, simply tap on the account you want to switch to. This will instantly take you to that account. Please note that this method utilizes the browser version of Discord until the feature is officially released for the mobile app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.